Hello everybody, welcome back, and hello if you're new to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this fun random rainbow design. The polish that I'm featuring today is Hue, is the artist from this OPI Mexico City collection. It's one of my spring favorite picks. In fact, all the polishes that I'm using today are from that collection. The first one here is Telenovela Me About It. This mint is Verde Nice to Meet You. This red is My Chihuahua Doesn't Bite Anymore. This orangey is Corralling Your Spirit Animal, and this purple is Mariachi Makes My Day. I have a review of the entire Mexico City collection with comparisons as well, and I'll put a link here and I'll put one down below in my description. So I started out with 2 coats of Hue, the artist, on all my nails. I've done a few of my nails with the stripes, but I'm just going to do these all different on my nails, so you can take a look at the picture. That helps to know what direction to go, because sometimes that part's a little bit hard, but I tried to go opposite of the one next to it. Okay, so let's get into the design. I wanted to show you how I got the polish on my brush because I think that's very important. So I put a little dab of this polish on a little silicone mat or wax paper plate, and then I'm going to use my striping brush. This is a striping brush that I always use, and I'm going to really submerge it with polish. I'm not going to go all the way up to the top with that though, and then I'm going to drag it out, you see here, and that will prevent the little bulb that you can get at the very end of your brush. That's very important. So then I'm going to come over here to my nail and figure out where I want to put my stripe. Each nail is different. I just picked random polishes and didn't think about it too much. So you're going to come in with your brush and you're going to lead with your brush when you're painting these little stripes. And then I'm going to turn it at a different angle if that helps. It's hard with these lights and all the filming that I have to do. I have to work around a lot of different things. So I'm going to fill in the edges here. And then if you lead with that brush, that's really going to give you that crisp, clean edge. And I'm going to fill in any spots that need to be added here. And I can always come back and do that later too. Sometimes it's nice to not mess with it when it's drying a little bit and to come back later and fix anything. Okay, so then I'm going to come in with my orange color. Same thing, I'm going to lead with my brush, and that just helps a lot. And then I'm going to flip it around here in a second, and I probably got a little too much on my brush, but that's okay. You can always come back and fix things later. You don't have to be perfect, and you're going to get a little polish on your skin, and that's okay. It's super easy to clean up, so don't get frustrated if things like that are happening, because that's just normal. So now I'm coming in with my purple, and again I'm going to lead with that brush and give it a nice smooth edge. I love this purple color. It's so pretty and it really pops with this design. And if I don't get it perfectly straight with that first few lines, I can come back and just smooth that out and make it even. It's really easy. Okay, I'm going to come back with my red, and this color is a little bit sheer, so I did go a little bit thicker on this because I knew I needed to spread it out and have it a little bit thicker layer. Again, I'm just like picking random spots and polishes. All the nails are different, which makes it nice because you don't really have to think about it and it still looks great. Okay, and now I'm coming in with the pink, and I'm just going to fill that in. And once I'm done with that, I think that's the last color I'm going to use on this nail. I'm going to look and see what I need to fix. So I'm going to come back with the green, and I can always just smooth that edge out if it needs a little touch up. And now we're going to come in and clean up any polish that gets on your skin. I'm just using a little brush and some acetone. Again, I'll put links to all the products down below. So you're going to let that dry adequately. So I'm going to let that dry for about 10 minutes, and then I came in with my top coat. I'm using Glisten and Glow top coat. It's a little bit thick right now, but I actually really like it that way. And that is the final look. I hope you guys like this design. I think it's so fun and it's so nice because you don't really have to think about it. If you recreate this design, use hashtag inspired by Go Polished on Instagram so I can see it. Thanks for joining me again, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.